in your woods. Yeah, I can't make it do it again. Did it before. I don't know how. I mean, I was just trying to impress Jenny. Well, that's how. From your heart, from inside you. You will be. So what? So I'm supposed to will some evil witch dead? You know, I don't understand that of all people.
Your mama wants to see both of y'all.